The metric in this HiLites video is prescriptive. It's the To Complete Schedule Performance Index. TSPI prescribes the future performance level needed to achieve the desired duration. Here's how to use it. TSPI is a ratio between two differences: the difference between the planned duration and the earned schedule, and the difference between a total duration and the actual time. In the context of the plan, the total duration is given by the planned duration. In the context of estimates, the total duration is given by an estimate, such as the estimate at complete for time. The context here is the plan, so we calculate TSPI as the planned duration minus the earned schedule divided by the planned duration minus the actual time. With TSPI, we can assess the feasibility of project duration. First, set the baseline. It's the nominal value of the TSPI, and that equals 1.0. If TSPI is less than nominal, the planned duration is feasible. If TSPI is greater than nominal, compare it to the threshold value of 1.1. If TSPI stays below the threshold, the planned duration is feasible, otherwise it's infeasible. Knowing the feasibility of the planned duration is important, but it leaves us with a challenge. If we wait until the threshold is breached, it's too late to act. We need to act before that. Trends signal when to act. If the trend in TSPI heads towards the nominal, prepare to act. If the trend in TSPI breaches the nominal and heads towards the threshold, it's time to act. Otherwise, it's too late to respond. An example illustrates what can happen and how to respond, or not. Start with base data. The project was scheduled for 23 weeks, but only the first 11 are detailed here. Get the planned value and the earned value. These values are in thousands of dollars. Calculate the earned schedule. Then calculate the To Complete Schedule Performance Index. As we do so, let's graph the results. For the first two periods, TSPI starts at 0.992 and then moves to 0.994. There's a slight movement upward toward the nominal, but it's too early to make a call on action. By period 3, however, TSPI continues to climb. There's a trend, but it's no longer heading toward the planned duration. It's over the planned duration and heading toward the threshold. That's a call to action, but it's still early, and the trend has only edged over the nominal. Let's see what happens next. TSPI is flat, but then it appears that period 4 was in fact an inflection point. There's a trend, and it's steadily climbing away from the nominal and toward the threshold. That's a clear call to action. In the real case, however, the call was not answered. By period 8, TSPI has ended up just shy of the threshold. In the real project, action was finally taken, but was it too late? Watch what happens next. Once the TSPI threshold is breached, the surge is on. The future performance level required for the planned duration becomes unreasonably high. The project becomes unrecoverable. Here's a summary for the To Complete Schedule Performance Index. First, calculate TSPI. Then, assess duration feasibility. Act on trends. For a step-by-step how-to video on this topic, here are some references.